Hold your position. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, this is a boy NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So right about now, people, see it there now. You understand? All have been saying, all have been done. See it there? The Rasta man and the pastor has giant peace. You get me? Look pan the old bad Rasta say I'm gonna return, but the greatest thing is, people, them giant peace. You understand? I don't know who joined them together, who met the link, but the Rasta and the pastor giant peace. But differently still in the pastor look more peace. Pastor look very peaceful and copying at the picture, people. But look on the Rasta, no smile, no laughing. But one thing, pastor, we don't know God see a giant peace with the Rasta, but we don't know what in the Rasta heart. But pastor still not trust the Rasta. Don't let you give my head kill this pastor. Me still not trust him. You understand? The way him look serious, I still not trust him, my viewers and my subscribers. But there is, me say, the greatest thing is peace, them giant. And see it there, the picture publicized now, the picture gone out there now, and everybody for see it say. So right now, the war thing, the video where they look at thing we're going right there when I say hold a position, you understand? So don't know in a position now go hold on with this, a great feelings to know say yo a peace them say right now. So now the end, my viewers and my subscribers, I don't know, man, this is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, just giving you a quick update and a quick insight. Don't know the thing, people. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now, and remember, hit that notification bell icon so as NEWLINK drop the video, you will get them. Enough love, people, enough respect. Peace. I'm out. Big up, bless.